Live programming mishap, cooking with chicken and waffles, except we weren't cooking the chickens. So I was co-hosting on Food Talk TV with October Dragonfly when this happened. I do that with my toaster oven.
Yeah. So the microwave is right above my stove, so it usually stays.
Oh my God, you're not going to believe what just happened. My chickens have gotten into my house.
I have a problem crowding my
So if you guys have chickens,
I'm chasing chickens around my house here.
I think that is hilarious because it's just par for the course for one of my personal lives. Because if it can happen, it will happen. I love it.
Vivian!
Oh my goodness. There's another waffle, guys. Oh, she's chasing the chickens. Oh, I gotta spray this back.
Oh my God. Okay, I'm getting my daughter here to corral the chickens. Oh my God, they're in the breakfast room. Here, wait a minute.
No, don't get the chickens.
Wait a minute.
Guys, if you're not already following Food Talk TV, you can't buy this content. This is
I know, right? Look at this. Look, he's on my Last Supper puzzle from Christmas that we still haven't finished.
Oh, look how cute.
How
You're doing the most.
look at that. Hilarious.
Beautiful baths.
Oh man.
Oh my goodness.
That's the beauty of live programming.
Yeah, it is. Hang on, let me get a drink real quick. Oh my goodness. Like I said, if it can happen, it will happen here.
Chickens. The chickens are in the house. We're trying to get the chickens out of the house, and I'm live on TikTok. Oh my God.
How many chickens do you have?
I have 6 chickens. And the problem is that I had chickens before and raccoons ate them. And so it took us a while before we figured out, and these chickens, though, are much bolder than my other chickens. Okay, now our friend is also helping. They can't get the chickens. There's 2 adults running around the house trying to get these chickens. Okay, can you hear it?
The video itself, okay?
Okay, you got one. You got one.
That's funny. Like I said, we're making waffles. She's chasing chickens.
I know, right?
Okay.
Back on topic here.
Oh, yeah, it's okay. Listen, no, that's hilarious. Because ironically, we're going to be making eggs here in a little bit.
Yeah.